Hello and welcome to video 1.3 of section 1 on Create.js. In this video we're going to discuss about playing sounds in various browsers using SoundJS. We're going to start off by taking our HTML template and creating a new test file. In this test file we're going to do two things. One, we're going to load the sounds we wish to play, and the second thing, we'll add a button, and once we click it, the sound will be played. So let's add the JavaScript code in the head section. We've added function load sound, which uses the register sound method of Create.js and receives two parameters. The first one is the path. The file we wish to play is called hit.og and it's in the local assets folder. The second parameter is the ID. The ID is the name which you'll use to reference that sound afterwards when you try to play it. So now we move to the play sound function. Here we use the play method from Create.js, create.js.sound.play, and the parameter it receives is the ID of the sound we wish to play, in our case, hit. Let's move to the body tag. Here we'll add a button element. The on-click event of that button will be play sound, which we created here. The text on the button will state play sound. And in order to make sure that Create.js has loaded before we start doing anything, we'll use the onload event. And once the HTML page will be ready, it will start running the load sound method. Okay, so let's test it on Chrome. As you can hear, once I click the play sound button, the sound is played. If we'll switch to Microsoft Edge, you can see that once I click the play sound button, the sound isn't played. This is because Microsoft Edge doesn't support OGG files. So in order to work around this issue, there's a property in SoundJS which allows you to add alternate extensions for a specific file. For example, in our assets folder, I also have the hit.mp3 file. So I can use here the alternate extensions property from SoundJS to let the browser know that if he cannot play the main file, which is hit.og, he can try other extensions with the same file name and see if he can play these files. We'll write create.js.sound.alternate extensions. So now, once Microsoft Edge will try to play the hit.og file and not succeed, it will try to play the hit.mp3 file. Let's test it. Once Microsoft Edge will reload the page, and as you can hear, the play sound button now actually plays the sound. But in this case, it played the hit.mp3 file, unlike Chrome, which played the hit.og file. So always make sure that these are the same files and the same sound. Congratulations! Now you know how to play sounds using SoundJS. In the next video, we're gonna learn about twinning objects using Twin.js.